little awkward, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, people. Like this, play some music. Turn the AC off to add about 10 horsepower. See, by putting down these fucking windows, you know. Oh shoot! It's a little fresh. It's a little fresh. It's a little fresh. I don't know if I regret it or not. Whoa. I don't know if I regret it or not, but it feels good on my skin. Go, little guy, go. I see. I wonder how I look to people. How I look to people right now. Oh, this little car, man. Yeah, I come from various backgrounds with vehicles. First ever little car I owned. Oh, nope, not here. Was a 2008 Toyota Yaris. And from there on, gradually, you know. I mean, I come from really, it's usually a big fan of Camaros, so I started off with because one of my buddies, a good friend of mine, he owned a 1991 Camaro RS with a 5-liter with a 4-speed overdrive automatic, and you know, of course, 3rd-gen Camaros, they're a little hard to find them in a 5-speed, so I was like, screw it, I guess. Really like the car. Comes at least with a 5-liter. And I got the same thing. I found a 1991. Well, I think this was a 92. But 91 was for me. Bought it off some dude when I was in college. Stupidly enough, bought it with the money I got for financial aid. Don't regret not one penny. Beautiful car. It was a turquoise green. It looked like a blue green. It's really nice. My brother owns it now. Bought it off of me. Long story short, had the car for a while. Previously to that, I had a 1991, another one, but it was a T-top. This one was a hard top, the blue turquoise one. You know, had fun with it. Matte black. Had like a, I don't know. Guy apparently said it was a 350. It was stroked out, big cam, headers, straight pipe. Still had the stock, what do you call it? The 700R4 transmission in it. And then after that, ended up selling that. Well, technically, T-top, black one, sold it first. Bought the second one, you know, green one. Then after that, sold that one to my brother, and I got myself a 2015 Camaro Camaro 2SS with an RS package. And cool part is that came with the 1LE exhaust system from factory, because that car was previously ordered. He literally ordered in 2015, brand new 2015. I bought it when it had 15,000 miles. Still had this window sticker and everything. Guy only used it literally for 15,000 miles. I found it. It came with a 6-speed. That's exactly what I wanted. But I was looking for a 1LE, but tough luck. And good luck finding one with decent miles. And you know, what do you usually get a 1LE for? Track package, right? So even then, you'd be better off with a regular 1SS, 2SS. I mean, depends on what you want. You want a little more comfort. You don't really care about that. You want the base 1SS. Honestly, I would have taken that. But 2SS alright as it is. Had fun with it. Built it a little bit, not too much. Suspension work. Didn't do anything with the engine besides an oil catch can. Probably a strut tower brace. I did go with a stage 1 ACT clutch system, which was a flywheel, pressure plate, and the clutch itself. Amazing clutch. Sold that one about a year ago now, 2015, and enjoying this beautiful 2022, which I bought it last year, 2023, but it was a 2022 model, 7 miles, perfect price, beautiful, first owner. Got it with the GT package. So, and it comes with the G2 suspension, which is ND2, but doesn't have the G1. This has like the G2 suspension, so it's a little stiffer. I did add sway bars to this though, Goodwin Racing, and I added a Goodwin Racing Roadster Sport exhaust system, and that's what you're hearing right now, hopefully. I am gonna have to get a mic for this because I don't know how distorted the sound gets, because I don't know, I just really like to drive with the windows down, you know. I'm in a little Roadster, why not? I'm going through one of my all-time favorite areas. And literally, right now, about, 20 minutes ago? 30 minutes ago? Just got out of Best Buy, and I purchased this head mount for my hat. Because I just barely bought a DJI Action 4 little GoPro looking thing. Amazing. And I'm literally just mounted this to my damn head. So what you're looking at right now, I'm running a 4K, 48 FPS. I've always wanted to do this. I've always thought this was fun. I followed various amounts of people that do this, that were doing this back in the day, that are doing it kind of now. I don't know, finally pulling the trigger on a lot of stuff, you know. Oh, there you go. Another modification I did was the shifter from racing.com, I guess. I'm not sponsored, I'm just saying. It's really pretty cool shift knob. Really nice. I love the stock one as well, but I don't know, something about this. I like it when it sits a lot lower, you know. I don't know why. One time, actually, MR2. Oh wow, I just realized I never put my knife away. Shit. There you go. Oh man, this is intense. this is intense. Oh yeah, I'm running without traction control. That's how I like it. Fan of cars anyways. I've always wanted to actually get in. Well, Long story. Just enjoying what I got. I see there's a new Subaru. This guy filming himself as well. Does come with the upgraded clutch system. This is the 2-liter 16 valve and revs up to 7,500 RPM. This is a little beast coming from a 6.2 liter C8 Corvette, coming from 6.2 liter V8 LS3. I don't know, something about this little car. Roadster, I should say. Oh man, this is... see how this goes. Like a sleeper of a car. It's insane. And I've known about Miatas for a really long time, but I never thought I'd own an ND2. It grows on you. It really does. It grows on you really well. I just realized I haven't ate since this morning. I worked out and everything. It was amazing. Huh. Wonder if I still have my burrito. Yeah, packed myself a burrito. Put it in the trunk. Damn. Good luck. Well, I just wanted to make this video just to, you know, test stuff out. Still a lot for me to learn, but you know, everything at its time, you know. Same thing. I feel like I'm doing this in a way of, how can I say this? Ask me stuff. Try to see, you know, the best possible way to not really answer it, but kind of make you think, you know. I mean, I'm not a damn guru either, but you know, it's always good to ask questions, good to learn stuff, try out new things, you know. Hey. Beep beep. Man, I love going down this road. Can't wait to, you know, people to see me like this. Well, now that I remember again, bye-bye.